back to Ohio.
What?
Welcome back to Ohio.
No.
Do you hear that?
Yeah, it's your phone.
What?
Yeah.
Guys, wait, listen.
Stop trying to act like... Fine. I guess I'll hit this.
Oh my god, guys. Is this the legendary Smurf mushroom cat? This cannot be, guys. It is the legendary mushroom cat.
This is fake.
It's caught in 4K.
These are just,
Guys, like
that's just a video.
Like and subscribe.
No,
I'm feeling the Smurf. Hey kid, want some Smurf cat?
That's just a video. You're cringe.
Nah, bro. Don't you see this? This is the legendary Smurf cat.
You're dancing. You're dancing like you're lip sync. You're lip syncing and dancing like you're listening to a romance song.
This only has 0.00001% chance of happening. And I found
Hey, that tree over there wants a Smurf cat. We're T-Posey in 2023, but then again, I dab in 2023.
Can you believe this?
Get your Smurfs out of here.
He's gonna sing.
Smurf guys. Alright, Smurf guy is actually pretty good. I like it though. There's also a Smurf dog and Smurf rabbits and not just Smurf cat, but Smurf cat's good. But Ohio Patrick.
Would you like to buy some Smurf cat?
That's just a video. Where's the real product?
Oh yeah, that.
Where's the real Smurf cat?
It's got a 0% chance. No.
And also, where's your...
Oh my god! It's the Smurf cat!
Wow, it is. What?
Whoa. Hurry, we must grab it.
How did it turn into a phone? It was
What?
Looks like you're scammed.
You are. Now, if you don't buy our Smurf cat, we're gonna kill you.
I am literally just buying a phone. Fine, take all these Ohio credits I have. Give me the phone. Oh well, at least if when I get the phone I could delete a search.